Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace your SIM card on your OnePlus NORD. It's really easy. The only thing you will need is this SIM card extraction tool, as you can see. It is like a little needle on the front side, and on the rear side there is a grip for your fingers. And this is the SIM card extraction tool. Here you can see another option of this little version, but both will work immediately on your OnePlus NORD. The OnePlus NORD, here you can see on the left side volume up, volume down, on the right side the power button. It's a little bit dirty, so let's clean up a little bit and then we can have a look on the bottom side of the device. Let's go, and here we can see there are two holes, and in the center there's a USB-C host, and we are going to penetrate the left button, not the right button. The right button is a microphone. So let's go to the left side and use the needle area to get in this and push a little bit. And while you are pushing, the SIM card tray is coming out a little bit out of the frame surface of your OnePlus NORD. Here we go, push and press. Keep pressing. And then the tray is coming out a little bit. This is enough. It's a little button there we are going to push, and then we can remove the tray. Here we are. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it? And here you can see we have the SIM1 error, and if we rotate this tray, we can see there's another port, a SIM2 port. Now we need a SIM card. You can use two SIM cards on one smartphone. The SIM card is a nano SIM. That is the smallest version of all SIM cards out there. The chip has to be look out of the tray, and you can see the edge. One edge of the SIM card is not like the others. And on the tray it's the same. So you can see how to attach the SIM card on the tray. Here we are. You can continue with the other side for a second SIM card, of course, but I own only one SIM card. So we are now pushing it back in position. Here we are, push, and then we enter the SIM card immediately. It is on the fly, as you can see. The device is still on. You do not have to take it out. Here we are. Unlock it, and now the SIM card will need the SIM pin. Now you have to enter the SIM pin. The job's done. Easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon.